Hey you guys, so I'm back with another DIY video. I'm going to be showing you how to make a hair mask at home. If you are interested, please be sure to stay tuned. So I pretty much use the same products in most of my videos because they're my staples. So you know, I got the coconut oil, the honey, and I actually have this conditioner that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and it's Tea Tree and Mint by Nature Love. I'll link that product in the description. It works really good. I'm all for reusing my old containers that I do have. So I'm just reusing my Shea Moisture hair mask. And it actually was a little bit left in there. So, you know, that's always good. So I'll just start by pouring my base, which is conditioner, into my container. I didn't have that much left. That's why y'all see me like trying to break the bottle to get that junk in there. I'm trying to get them last bits out. And of course I'm pouring my oil in there. Just want to make sure I'm putting as much moisture in this deep conditioner because, I mean, it's a hair mask. You can call it whatever you want, a hair mask, a deep conditioner. We're basically just trying to bring a lot of moisture into our hair. And these 3 products, which is not that much but it's still effective, can do that for you. And I'm sorry, y'all probably gonna see my niece and my son doing all kind of stuff in the background because they was right there while I was recording this video doing too much because I could see her playing in the refrigerator right there. I wasn't even paying attention. And actually, a tip, if you guys want to make this into a protein treatment, all you have to do is add in an egg or some mayonnaise and there you go. Or you can use that that hydrolyzed wheat protein that I was talking about in my last video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link that in the description so you guys can learn a little bit about protein treatments. I really need to re-up on my products. That's why this is what the finished product looking like, because I didn't put enough conditioner in there, but I am gonna add some more to it. But honestly, that's it for this video, you guys. I just want to thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. I have a lot more DIYs in store for you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.